So we are all set for our trip, and these are some essentials that we are carrying: clothes, sleeping bags, emergency lights, some jackets, down jackets and fleece jackets. We have some camera stuff: a DSLR, action camera, an extra lens, manual gimbal, automated gimbal, a tripod, some power banks, and we have a rucksack with us, an oxygen cylinder. This we are carrying because this is required as I am traveling with my father. I'll do another video once we have loaded everything in the vehicle, and once we start, then we'll take videos while we are on the way. So meet you once again. Bye. So the vehicle is all ready to go for the trip, and unfortunately we couldn't take a picture inside what we have loaded in the vehicle and what are the stuff we are carrying. We'll try to make it up in the next stop, as it's raining heavily at this point of time. So see you at the next stop. So we have just reached Hotel Garam Dharam, and we're going to have some evening snacks over here and some chai, and then we'll move ahead. So I guess you will be curious about where we are going. So once and when we reach the places, you will come to know where we are going. So let it be a surprise. Once we get in, we'll take another video. So catch you later. So we have just stopped after Rupnagar just to eat something. It's around 12 o'clock at night now. So we have reached Manali this morning at 7 a.m. and we were pretty sleepy at that point of time because we have driven overnight. So couldn't take a video at that point of time. So right now we are going to grab some lunch, show something about what we are carrying in the vehicle and all this stuff. So here we have all water bottles, we have funnel, we have a pipe, and if you can see, we have jerrycans which is already filled with fuel now, which we have done in the morning. And from Manali we will be starting tomorrow in the morning, and we'll let you know where we are going from here. So that will be an